Hello, good morning. So take a look at the question, present question. The manaki this is advanced problem andi. Advanced 2006, I think. 2006. So ఇక్కడ క్లియర్ గా ఒకసారి క్వశ్చన్ చూడండి. ఇది సింగిల్ ఆన్సర్ టైప్. సింగిల్ ఆన్సర్ టైప్ క్వశ్చన్. ఇక్కడ మనకి క్లియర్ గా x గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 0 అన్నారు. ఇట్ మీన్స్ x ఈజ్ అప్రోచింగ్ 0 ప్లస్. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఫ్యాక్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లంలోకి వెళ్ళిపోతే లిమిట్ x tends to 0 sin x పవర్ 1 by x ప్లస్ 1 by x పవర్ sin x ఇలా ఇచ్చారు. సో ఇక్కడ 2 టర్మ్స్ కనబడుతున్నాయి కాబట్టి మనం ఈ ప్రాబ్లంని 2 టర్మ్స్ బైఫర్కేట్ చేసి సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ పార్ట్ని నేను u అంటున్నాను. లెట్ u ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు let us consider sin x హోల్ పవర్ 1 by x అనుకుందాం. sin x హోల్ పవర్ 1 by x. ఇప్పుడు దీనిలో లిమిట్ తీసుకుందాం. లిమిట్ x tends to 0 ప్లస్ కాబట్టి ఆఫ్ u ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు లిమిట్ x tends to 0 ప్లస్ sin x పవర్ 1 by x. మనకి ఇక్కడ sin x వాల్యూ 0 ప్లస్ దగ్గర యాజ్ x tends to 0 ప్లస్ అయినప్పుడు sin x tends to approximately 0. Okay, approximately tending to 0, I said. Tending to 0 means you can take 0.0000 and so on 0 somewhere 1 ఇలా తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఈ సో ఆన్ లో చాలా ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, అండ్ 1 by x 0 ప్లస్ కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ కూడా 1 పవర్ 1 by 0.00 and so on 0 1 తీసుకున్నాం. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఈ వాల్యూ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇట్లాగే తీసుకుందాం. 0.00 and so on 0 1 and whole power. This is very biggest value. This is very biggest value, right? So what is the biggest value in the mathematics? Plus infinity. So it will be infinity. If a number is multiplied itself with infinite times, automatically it will be 0. So this is a limit value, 0. Got it? First value understood, right? So therefore, the limit value as x tends to 0 plus of u, that means limit x tends to 0 plus sin x whole power 1 by x value is 0. That is the first part. Take a look at the second part. Let us say it is v. The second part is 1 by x whole power sin x. 1 by x whole power sin x. So take limits on both sides where we are calculating right hand limit for the given one. Okay, limit x tends to 0 plus 1 by x times of sin x. Okay, first we need to picturize this value. So let us take log v. What is log v? Log v. If I take log on both sides for this step, okay, log v is equal to log log of 1 by x power sin x. That is nothing but sin x multiplied by log 1 by x. Okay, so that you can take minus sin x into log x. Okay, according to logarithmic property. This is our log v value. Okay, this is our log v. Now v equal to v equal to e power minus sin x into log x, and taking limit, applying limit on both sides. Limit x tends to 0 plus e power minus sin x into log x. Okay. We already talked about sin x is approximately x when x tends to 0 plus. As x tends to 0 plus, sin x is approximately equal to x, so that we can replace it here. Okay. So limit x tends to 0 plus e power minus log x, here x. Okay. In the next step, we can make the changes. So write down x. So this x can be represented as, minus log x whole divided by 1 by x. If you calculate this one, automatically you will get this step. Okay. Now, since it was infinity by infinity, it seems to be, this part seems to be infinity by infinity, so that you can use LHopital's rule. Right? Applying LHopital's rule here in the here, this limit applied to this limit x tends to 0 plus minus log x derivative 1 by x and 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. Minus cancel, x cancel, limit x tends to 0 plus x left. So x tends to 0 plus means, of course, it is 0. E power 0 means 1. So the second part of the problem, the limit value is 1 and first problem is 0. So 0 plus 1 is the answer of this question. Hope you understood this question. You understood. If you're not understanding anything, or if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Subscribe, share, and like the video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. See you in the next one.